One lifted Big Red on its way back to the mud hole. Yep. Rebuilt differential, rebuilt rear end, new swing arm pivot bearings, new steering bearings, new forks with seals, completely rebuilt. Spun the forks around and gave it an extra 3 inches wheelbase. Changed the rake around a little bit, new steering bearings. This thing rides like a Cadillac. There is no more tank steering for this thing. It's so nice, one-handed. I can ride this thing around the track. Everything's smooth. It pulls up and out of the ruts like it's nothing. I had no problem handling this thing with one hand. It used to be fight it with both hands just to go straight. Fixed all of that, got it handling great. You throw the thing in reverse, it goes backwards. It doesn't try and lock and stay there. Oh, it's so nice. William was happy as can be. The smile he had on his face when he got back from the test ride said everything. Enjoy the rest of the test ride. We got a little backing up to show you how well that works too. If you're not subscribed, why not? If you're not commenting on the videos, why not? Let's get these videos out to people. Try and do a lot of stuff in this shop, help people out, get stuff done. Oh, so nice backing up. So nice. Couldn't do this before. A lot of work on this thing. Got it all squared away. Bunch of bugs worked out of it. It'll be at the mud hole and having fun. Check out how fast this thing goes. We click some gears one-handed. Click some gears and get ripping down the side of the property. So nice. So nice. I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day. Enjoy it. Lots of smiles.